Hi, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're looking at a pre-owned 2018 G23. As you can see, it's got nice metal flake on the exterior, followed by a classy white with a black sticker. It's got a nice swim platform here. A quick shot of your NSS below. Inside the boat, as always, Nautique does a great job with the wraparound seating. You got tons of cup holders, big speakers, lots of chargers. You got the C-deck flooring, you got a cooler underneath the floor. In the bow, you got a very spacious bow. That cushion in the middle will flip over for a nice bow area. Of course, your touch screen offered by Nautique and your helm command. Again, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. As always, hit the like button and subscribe for more videos.